In this case, and this is where I want to encourage you as you take a look at your own car, if you want to do the trunk area, I highly recommend it. But actually in this case, I don't think I'm going to. Now, I didn't want to just leave it out and have you like, hey, wait a second, you said you were going to do the trunk area. But as I look at this very, very closely, you know, plastic structures here are not going to come up easily. All of this bracing for the battery and around that, I'm not sure I want to have matting around that. And then the sheet metal that is here, I don't think I'm going to make that much of a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that out. All right, y'all, so putting your car back together is just the reverse of what you did before and taking it out. So just a quick review. Now, remember when you lay those carpet pieces back down in, you want to put your back seat bench in. Go ahead and lay the back seat footwell carpets down and smooth. Now, what I also found with a little bit of the sound matting in, I usually get in and kind of press on the carpets to make sure that they lay all back down in the proper places. Same thing, you've got, if you pull those two carpet pieces here and here down the transmission wall, go ahead and put those back in. Don't forget the screw back in the corner. You can lay this front carpet back down. Don't forget that those heating ducts that go back to the back seats that you just wiggle to take them out, you put them back in. And then you can put your back seat or put your seats back in. Now, quick thing on this, when you do this, make sure to get this plug set back up and plug it in correctly here. Now, in the E53 X5s, the plug here underneath the seat, because there's the plug that comes up and out of the carpet, remember, that you've been working with and keeping out of the way the whole time. Now, the seat itself, the plug receptacle in the seat is very famous for having the plugs back out of the harness that it fits into. So there's 4 plugs in there. Make sure that when you put the plug from the wiring harness out of the car back in, that you didn't push any of those back, or things like your steering wheel or your heated seats may not work, or it may not go up and down properly. Just double check that on both sides.